Welcome to AutoCAD training session. How can length, a width, a shape be obtained? Select dimensional option and select the side to specify its size. If you want a part of it, just select the linear option. Click a shape at the beginning and the end. Size will be specified. We use Move command to move a shape. First we select the shape, then we specify the starting point and then the destination point in displacement. Shape shift. We use Copy command to copy a shape. First, we select the shape. We specify its starting point and the destination point in the displacement. Shape is copied, and we can continue by clicking. We use Rotate command to rotate the shape. We select the shape, then the point of origin, and then we specify the amount of rotation. Shape rotates on a two-dimensional screen. Review through the commands we described earlier. First, select 3D environment from the View Cube tool. Three-dimensional commands are activated by clicking on the Tools menu, Box, Cylinder, Cone, Sphere, Pyramid, Wedge, Torus, Polysolid, Use a wedge to rotate all the shape onto the screen. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.